Hello world, welcome back to our channel. My name's Paul and my beautiful wife Janet. We're on our way to, I'm not going to try and pronounce it, you know how terrible I am, but I'll write it in here. And from there, we're going to, a driver from the Tuk Tuk rental company picks up the tuk-tuk at the train station tomorrow, and we do a 3-hour train ride to Ella. And it's one of the more famous train rides in the world, but for now, before we head on the road, we're just having a relaxing walk through the Candy Botanical Gardens. There's the Spice Garden here, the Botanical Gardens. This was established in 1822, but I'm waffling, guys, so I'm gonna show you my beautiful wife one more time and turn the camera off. Look where we are, guys. This was $10 a person entry, but they obviously spend a lot of money keeping this as beautiful as it is. And this is just one tiny little bit of the whole gardens. Amazing. All these guys doing their work. This guy was bringing me to see the bats, the flying foxes. And I was thinking I've seen a million of them, but I don't think I've ever seen one this close up, having a sleep. And he is alive because he keeps moving around a bit. Everywhere you look here, there's more and more and more. It's beautiful, this little lake, the whole place, guys. This is quite well kept. And I don't know if I said earlier on, but it was established in 1822. Just amazing, guys. And for once, I think the GoPro will be doing this justice from what I can see in the screen. Just amazing, guys. This is well worth a stop, but we've got a long drive to do. So let's head back to the toy baby and hit the road. So we're at the Alawa. Excuse me if I pronounced that wrong. I'll spell it here for you. That's our tuk-tuk here. But these monkeys will steal everything, so we can only go one person at a time up the hill. And Janet's sitting in the tuk-tuk with all the... They even tried to steal stuff when she was in there, so we've got the curtains closed. But as we were driving here, guys, up the highway... Hello! Up the highway, we could see this cloud rolling in, and the tower was clear as a bell when we saw it from the distance. But then as we got a little bit further up the road, this cloud just kept getting thicker and thicker around the mountain. So I'm not sure if we're going to be able to see anything at all, but I'm going to head up there if it's worth it. I can't put the drone up, that was my plan. But if it's worth it, Janet can come back in after I've been up and she can have a look. Seriously, guys, what rotten timing. Look at this. You can hardly see it in the cloud. Usually, even as we were driving up here, it was clear as a bell. You could see the village or the town down below. Oh well, hopefully as I'm climbing up it might clear up, but I'm not getting my hopes up. Nothing, absolutely nothing. This is the tower here. Hardly worth the effort going up, but I'll go and have a look. I considered this to be having this as my Sri Lankan tattoo, because this tower is really well known, but it's just a big white tower, so there would have been no real detail. The stairs on the outside go up to this section where the real tower starts, but once the real tower starts, as you'll see, the steps are on the outside, and it's a little bit scary, I've heard. Nadia and Irfan went to the top, but the budgeteers, Paddy and Tice, they didn't even make it halfway up. Helena went a bit further, but the only ones I've seen actually going to the top were Nadia and Irfan. Steps going around the outside. This is scary, guys, really. Sadly, it's not worth going up to the top because you can't see anything. So, there's a heap of people here, so I'm just going to head back down, guys. I'd go up normally, but can't see anything anyway, so I'm going to go head down, give Janet a chance to come up, and I'm going to ask Nadia and her phone for a clip of theirs so you can see what it would have looked like if we weren't inside a cloud.
I figure we're losing 2002, turning away through sunshine and snow, chasing my tail around the globe. This bird says fly to the midnight.
And I met these guys up the tower. They only went up as far as I did, but now it's starting to clear up. Now we've finished. I might have to go up again when Janet gets back.
Not again.
And we've just driven like 2 or 3 minutes and we're below the cloud, but this is what we should have been seeing from the top of the tower. Just beautiful. And Janet's trying her first king coconut. Is it good, baby?
Yes.
Give me a taste. Oh, that's good. No, that's all right.
Mango.
Oh, do you want a mango, baby? No, thank you, no. And guys, when you're heading towards Ella from the tower, see this place? I'm having chicken noodles, Janet's having fruit salad. What lovely, lovely people and beautiful food. And it's called the Sunflower Cafe. They're only newly opened. This is the girl that's cooking for us.
Yes.
Oh guys, the last hour, you look at the Google Maps here. Twisty Turns, doing about 20 kilometers an hour through this. Look at this, guys, unbelievable. And all that green is tea plantations, the dark green. This is grass up here, but all over here, that's all tea plantations. We've been riding through for the last maybe hour and a half. Just amazing, guys. And we've got about another 20 kilometers to go, but it's all this twisty roads, so it's going to take us a while. We're both getting a bit over it today. Well, not over it, but we'll be happy. We'll be happy when we get to a hotel today, won't we, baby?
Yes, we will.
Guys, here we are in Nawara Elia. I'll write it here, guys, so you can see it without my accent. Look at the view from our window. Beautiful. Unfortunately, we don't have time to explore this beautiful little town. We're getting the train to Ella. Now, tuktukrentals.com, guys, there's a lot of companies, well, not a lot, but there's quite a few companies that are copying Tuk Tuk Rentals, and they rent you tuk-tuks, but you've got no guarantees. These guys have got it set up all over the country that if you have any problems, it can get fixed. They've got a really good backup system. And today we go to the train station here in this town, and a guy's going to meet us there. He drives the tuk-tuk to Ella, and we get to take the train, the really famous Kandy to Ella, but we're only doing a section of it, 3-hour section. And he'll meet us at the other train station with the tuk-tuk. So yeah, guys, cheap isn't always the best. These guys really look after you at tuktukrentals.com. So this is the train station, and poor Janet has to put up with my impatience all the time. We're 45 minutes early for the driver and an hour and 45 minutes early for the train, but that's all right. It's nice and relaxing here. And the town that I said before, that's not where the train station is. It's about 10 minutes out of that town at Nanuoya. Nanuoya is the train station. So if you're looking for your tickets, it's Nanuoya to Ella, sorry, speaking in Spanish. And I'm told that this is the really good section, because from Kandy to Ella takes like around 7 hours. This one only takes a bit under 3 hours, or that's what the timetable says. And we get to experience some of the gorgeous Sri Lankan train travel, but we don't have to sit on the train for 7 hours. And she'll be at Ella train station to meet us. And we're on the train. Our driver met us. He's on his way to Ella already. He should be there when we arrive. Look at how modern this train is. I was looking forward to an old rattle trap, but I think Janet's happy that it's a modern train. I'm excited to see. I'll show you some stuff out the window as we go along, but for now I'm just going to relax. Look at this, guys. This is Ella. Just amazing. I really wish now that we'd spent the time here instead of Candy, because we're running out of time quickly. But look at this mountain up here. Big rock. I'll show you that properly from our hotel balcony. We get a good view. Just beautiful. Janet said it's a lot like Denmark, and she's right. Denmark in Western Australia, or Byron Bay for those who've travelled New South Wales. And guys, this is the rock from our hotel balcony. Just beautiful, guys. And this isn't like our room balcony, this is sort of the chill out area. Just beautiful. Amazing. We're so lucky to do this, guys, and I'm going to use this as a chance to do another pitch. Subscribe, guys, please. If you're watching this via Facebook, join the page. Watch the occasional video. If you really want to support us, go into the website, buy a copy of the book. Like, we do have Patreon, you can be a Patreon, but I'd rather you bought a copy of the book. It's only $7 US. And if I can sell enough copies, hopefully a publishing company will pick it up, and then we can do this for the rest of my life. Well, we're at the Chill Cafe in Ella. Amazing food, guys, really, really good. If you're in Ella, make sure you stop in here. It was good, wasn't it, baby? Now, I've got plenty of footage to make a video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that Mad Dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.